naman punta.
The reason why we're on our way to the yard today, aside from our weekly inspection, is because of the color of the office motorhome, which I'm gonna be honest, it literally looks like a coffin on wheels. The shade of brown looked so bad, and I don't know why old motorhomes all had that coffin brown paint job. It's terrible. It looks so bad, like wooden furniture that you're gonna throw out. So we thought that we'd look around online for inspiration and to see what colors would look nice. And we saw that someone painted theirs a simple color that looked absolutely beautiful. They painted their interior white. Like everything was white, which just makes sense because you can keep it all white or mix in other colors. So that's the new plan for the Liwaliw motorhome. We're going to paint the interior all white, which is going to look great, which is why I'm on my way so I can get an idea on how to actually do it. If I recall correctly, it took them 10 days to paint the inside, and I believe the woman who painted it was alone. And if she could do that all by herself, then all three of us, me and my two sons, could get it done in no time. Which will take effort, for sure. But hey, it'll be way cheaper than hiring someone to do it for us. Might as well save us the dollars, right? I'd imagine that a contractor would cost thousands of dollars just for a paint job.